Developing a straightforward web application with Bolt.Diy, a cutting-edge tool for quick web app creation, can be both enjoyable and fulfilling. Bolt.Diy is crafted to enhance the development experience by offering an intuitive interface and powerful features, making it accessible even for individuals with limited coding skills. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you build your application from scratch. Identify your app's purpose. Start by articulating the specific purpose and features of your app. Is it intended to be a task manager, a personal blog, or a product catalog? Understanding your objectives will facilitate more effective decision-making throughout the development journey. Create your Bolt.Diy account. Visit the Bolt.Diy website to set up your account. After logging in, you will be welcomed by the platform's user-friendly dashboard. Take some time to explore the interface, which includes tools for designing, coding, and launching your application. Select a template. Bolt.Diy provides a range of pre-designed templates suited for various types of applications. Whether you are building a portfolio, an e-commerce platform, or a simple blog, choosing a template can significantly reduce the time and effort required. Personalize the design. Utilize Bolt.Diy's drag-and-drop editor to tailor the design of your app. You can modify colors, fonts, layouts, and other visual aspects to align with your preferred style. This phase enables you to create an appealing user interface without needing extensive design knowledge. Incorporate functionality with modules. Bolt.Diy offers modular components that allow you to enhance your app's functionality. Whether you need a contact form, user authentication, or dynamic content display, you can easily add these features from the platform's module library. Connect your data. If your application necessitates a database, Bolt.Diy simplifies the process of data integration with its built-in tools. Whether you are handling user information, product listings, or content categories, the platform enables you to organize and link your data effortlessly. Conduct testing. Testing is essential to verify that your app operates as expected. Bolt.Diy includes testing features to help you ensure everything functions correctly before launch. Deploy your app. Once you're satisfied with your app, deploy it directly from the Bolt.Diy platform. The tool supports various hosting options, including free and premium plans, ensuring accessibility for different budgets. Optimize for performance. After deployment, monitor your app's performance. Bolt.Diy provides analytics tools to track user interactions, loading times, and other metrics. Use this data to optimize your app for a smoother user experience. Gather user feedback. Share your app with a small group of users to gather feedback. This step is invaluable for identifying areas that need improvement, whether it's usability, functionality, or content presentation.